create, if you can, your own stylized outline. You've got the one that actually is a practical fit of the body, okay? And then within that, essentially, you've got your blank, your template for next time. If you wanted to create, if you created a mannequin that was a standard guy, for example, 44 to 46 inch chest, 46, 48, whatever you wanted that adjustment to be. Once you've done that mannequin, you've transferred this into digital form and then nested it, taken your outline. You've then got something as a starting point for the future. This is where, you know, you can be sitting there on your iPad or your pad. I mean, you know, you can do your own master outline, go down to the printers and have a whole load of them printed off, make up your own pad, sketch pad, that's just got loads of master outlines on it. And then you can just, you know, I still go back to the whole, I design in 50-50. So I was straight down the middle. And then you've got your starting point. You know, you want your collar, do one side, and so on. So, you know, you could literally, this is the point now that you've got that flexibility, knowing that whatever happens, so we'll just do something different from there. Whatever happens, you've got something to start your armour design off on. And then from this point, what you can do is exactly the same. So you've got this drawing right in the middle of your screen, okay? What you do is you take a guideline from the left-hand side of the screen, drag it across so that it is directly down the middle of your drawing. And then with your simple line tool, this is where you can start with a line. Do one dot there, one dot there, stretch this line out. Ordinarily it would have been like that, but then stretch the line out. So you've got, and the beauty, and this is, you know, I'm a big lover of this because, I don't know, I just find often I'm far more in the flow when I'm working on something like this, because I can just, you know, it's like playing with an elastic band, really. I find it therapeutic. Exactly the same thing with this. You could take that line and you can stretch it that way, you can stretch it that way, that way. You can do what you want with that line once you've turned the line into a curve, and then just stretch it down. And then you can think, oh, I'll put another line from there to there. Another straight line. Oh, I want to flow downwards. Pull it down. Exactly the same. A start point and an end point of the line, stretch it down, and so on and so forth. The real point is that you're taking that tool that is actually really simple, just by learning how to manipulate a line within the drawing. You can play around with it, and then once you've done that side, you can literally highlight using the select tool the whole of that one side, and then click the tool that will mirror it, taking a copy to the other side. And this is where it satisfies my OCD for absolute perfection in all lines and shapes and balance and symmetry. This is the way to get symmetry, absolute symmetry.